Hey, what's up guys? It's Chris here with Prestige Auto. Today we've got this 2003 Nissan Altima into the garage. Today we're going to be replacing out this back door handle. It seems like maybe someone had pulled it too hard and it's broken this piece off right here. So we're going to pop that door panel off and I'm going to get the tools together. I'm going to show you guys how to change this thing out. So let's grab our tools and let's get to it. Okay, so we've grabbed all the tools that we're going to need to take this panel off. There's a couple little things right in here. You can see this little black. You want to take like a flathead screwdriver and pop that up. And I think there's a Phillips head screwdriver under there. Not screwdriver, Phillips head screw. Alright, and then right in here also, you can see right there, pop that thing out and there's a screw in there also. When you take this screw out, this whole thing right here is going to pop out. And then I believe there may be another screw under here that holds this panel on. As far as screws on the side or underneath it, I don't think there are any. So this one's probably just going to yank right off there. So we'll take out that screw there, the one in there, pop off this panel, get that other screw out of there. And I think if we just grab this thing and jerk it, it'll pop that panel right off. So let's get to it. Okay, so we've got this thing free. There was, in fact, like I said, there was a screw there, and then this is the screw where this panel pops back in. All right, and then you just grab it and just pull it, and it popped free. Now, when you get to the end, when you get this thing off, it's still going to be attached because there's cables coming into this right here. So you want to look around to the back, and they're pretty easy to get off. Let me see if I can do this so that you can see. Yeah, you see them right there, those two. Right here. Now these will just pop out like this. Just pop it, pull it out, and now your panel's free. Alright, now that we've got that thing out of the way, we've got this plastic right here. So we're just going to pull it back. Just pull it back so that we can see the handle there. Let me get a flashlight. Now you can see the back side of the door handle. There's a 10mm bolt right there, and there's probably going to be another one on the other side. I don't know if I can get you a picture of it, but just look for it. There's going to be one on the other side probably. You might have to get in there and fight it out. Well, let's get to it. Let's pop this thing off. Alright, yeah, so we got that first 10mm out, but that other one is the son of a gun to get out. It's tucked, it's like in this area, but in here. So I've got a small 10mm. We're going to see if we can't get our hand in there and get that son of a gun out. Alright, we got that other one out. Man, that thing was tough as heck. It is way in there, and there's just no room. I had to get a 10mm wrench, and I was able to only turn that thing probably an eighth of a turn every single turn, little by little. You can't get your fingers in there and work it out any. You gotta just fight it with your wrench, little by little, till it comes out. Anyways, we got that other bolt out of it. I think there was just two of them, so we're gonna try to pop this thing out now. See. There we go. There we go. Pop out. And then so there's going to be a rod on it. There's going to be a rod on it to make it open whenever you open it. So you'll need to reach in there and pop that rod off. Looks like the easiest way to do it is from inside here. Let me get the camera and show you. Okay, so you can see that little green clip up in there. Now you just want to take a screwdriver and just push it over to the side. Just push it over so that it unclips from that, and then pull that rod straight out, and that'll disconnect it. So let's get a screwdriver and pop that thing off. Okay, you can see that green clip. See, I took a screwdriver and I just pushed it out of the way, and it slides over to the side. And now we'll grab that rod and just pull it straight out of the hole, and that door handle should be free to go. Okay, we've got it out. Alright, we've got that thing out now. I'm going to show you a couple things. So this is where one screw is, one bolt is on the inside, and that's where the other one was. So you want to take those two off from the inside, and then you'll see this rod right here. See that little blue connector right here? That rod coming up. That's the one that connected into that green clip I was telling you about. So when you put in your new one, you want to make sure you get this rod and slide it back into that hole and clip that down. Now, as far as these door handles, I picked these up from, I got these from eBay. They were $10 each. I got a pack of 4 because actually three out of the 4 of these door handles on this car were broken. So I actually ordered 3. They sent me 4, so that's awesome. I'll have a spare one. They come in the color of black. I went to O'Reilly and got them to mix me a rattle can of that color. Now, if you need the color to your vehicle, most vehicles are right around on your driver's side door. You want to open your door, and if there's a sticker where your VIN is, okay, right there. See right here, it's going to say color FYO. Let me show you a little bit closer. And that's where you can find your color code. So you'll call up or go to O'Reilly Auto Parts, tell them you need a rattle can of the single stage for that color code, and they'll mix you up a can. It's about 25 bucks. And I use that for all kinds of stuff. If we get a car that has like a little scuff on it on the bumper or something, I'll get a can of that stuff and just blend it in. Just touch up some little crap here and there. So yeah, get you a can of that stuff and you can paint your door handles to match your car the color that it's supposed to be. I already did the driver's side over here. Let me come back around and show you how it blends. So I mean, it's pretty dang close. I know this light is making it look weird, like it's really standing out, but it's not. You get it outside in the sun and you can't even tell. It matches really, really well. So let's get that one put back in, and then we'll jump over here and replace this one. Alright, we've got that thing back in there. We've got the bolts back in. You can see in there, kinda. Alright, where that green clip was, it's white now. We got our rod back in there, clipped it back on. Got our bolts back in. And that son of a gun's looking pretty good. Let's slide around and look at it. Looking good. Alright, so we're going to put all this crap back together. Get this thing done. As far as this plastic, we just going to mash it back in there. Just shove it on there. And yeah, looks good. Looks real good like that. Okay, nice. It's like new. Alright, so let's pop our door panel back on. Don't forget, whenever you take it, so you see this top lip right here, the top of that door panel is going to sit on here. So take it and slide it up here first and slide it down, and that'll lock in the top part. Then you're going to want to make sure you put these back on your door handle. They're two different styles. One's got a little 90 on it, one's got a ball. they can only fit one or the other, so you can't mix them up. Just make sure you put these on, slide your door up there, set it up there and slide it down, and then just pop it back on all the way around, and it'll lock on. Then we'll put our screws back in, and this job will be done. Okay, let's put it on. Alrighty guys, we got that thing all put back together. Pretty simple job, other than getting that second screw out of there was pretty tough, but not a bad job. Let's make sure this thing opens now. Oh yeah, just like it's supposed to. Let's try it again. Yep, perfect. Now, well, alright guys, that's going to wrap up this video. Thanks for watching. I hope that this helped you change out your door handle if you have any issues like this. It's not too bad of a job, and it's about the same process on all vehicles. So thanks for watching the video. Please hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.